Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down, unplugging the AC, and removing the battery so there's no power to the board. Once done, open the rear service hatch or remove the base cover using a Phillips screwdriver and a plastic spudger to avoid damage. Make sure to keep screws sorted. Use a tray or paper with labeled positions. You'll next disconnect the touchpad cable if it blocks the palm rest. Do not pry the keyboard yet because it's often secured from above and under the palm rest. You'll continue by locating the keyboard retaining screws or tabs. On many Pavilion DV6 models, there are plastic tabs or screws under the hinge cover. Once the upper bezel or hinge cover is removed, flip the keyboard forward slightly and find the ribbon connector. Press the small latch back to release it. Slide the ribbon free and fully remove the keyboard. When installing the new unit, align and insert the ribbon straight. Then close the latch so the connector seats securely and the keyboard sits flush. You finish by reversing disassembly. Reseat the new keyboard, reconnect the ribbon and latch, replace bezel and screws, then reinstall the battery and reconnect AC. Once powered, test the main keys, function keys, and any backlight or special keys. This verifies proper seating while you still can reopen. If something doesn't work, shut down and unplug immediately. Reseat the ribbon and check the connector latch for debris or bent pins. If problems persist, swap with a known good keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.